Folks, here is a New Holland BC5070, 2015 model according to the serial number plate. Very nice machine. I don't think it's seen very much hay considering its age. It's below average, I would guess, by the look of the machine. I did have to put a hay dog in it, make a few minor adjustments in the knotters. That's really about all it needed. This does have the chemical kit, hydraulic bale tension, hydraulic pickup, hydraulic tongue. And also on the back of this machine is a Steffen 1050 accumulator. It's set up very nice. I'd like to leave them together. We're going to price them together, and I'm going to have prices in the description for separating them. If someone wants them separated, I will. The prices are going to be a little bit taller if I can't sell them together. Both machines are good, seem to be in good working order. If you guys have any questions about them, just give one of us a call.